My baby is out to chase the birds. Today we are here for bird hunting. It's a girl to the 5. Mama, come. That's all my 5 soldiers. Today we are out for first off. No. Hold on. Hello guys. It's a girl to the 5, and today my children are going to make slime. We are going to see who can make the best slime today. Earlier on we went out just to doing well. So today the other one is going to open the slime box and we are going to start. This is the one that we got. We actually got it from B&M shop. Yeah. Yeah, so let's get on with it. Maybe we can add activator to it, isn't it?
No, sticky.
Keep stirring.
Oh, that's getting good.
Hey, good girl, Sika. Wow, look at that.
Oh, sticky.
Don't you think it's better to do with your hands?
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, they miss with their hands. The only girl has done it. Wow. You got to mix more colors with it. Wow, mix it with your hands. Wow, Sika. Wow. Look at Sika.
It's actually good. This is so scratchy. My first time doing slime. Whoa, it's so
Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. The best slime ever is from the girl. It's from the only princess in the family. Wow, Kabina, I like your color.
I love you.
I love your color. Ooh, yeah,
I need more activator.
your color is really good. Yeah, add more to it. I love your color. Look at that color. Wow, look how it shines. Put more color. Yes, come on, girl. Yes, put more.
My sign.
You don't need to close it. Your hands are slimy. And add purple. Look, add this purple. Keep stirring.
Yeah, I'm adding
Stirring. Do you need more activator?
I did it once.
Okay.
If you check the back, look at the back.
Okay. Woo, stretch it. Wow. Okay, I'll pass the stretch here one. Woo, look at that. Who's ready to stretch? Okay, Sika, come and stand here and stretch it. Let's see. Stand here. Now stretch. Woo! Wow. Woo! Yes, for me. Stand on there. For me. That is so cool. Oh my. That is so good. Yeah.
Yours is too stretchy. Oh my goodness.
It's really, so the best stretchy slime goes to K-Gamer team.
Yeah!
And then the next stretchy one goes to
Mine is less. I don't think.
Goes to Sika. Yeah, high five, girl. High five. Yeah, she did.
That's good. Yay!
Wow, now this is our pastel slime in the bowl. Look at it carefully. Look at the shine. Look how it's shining. I love this. And it's really slimy. Yeah. And look at this color. Wow, check that bluish. Ooh, look at the shine. Yeah. Pastor, put it next to it. Let me see. Wow.
No,
My children actually made this slime. It's really nice. Okay.